Did you know tiny bugs do big jobs for our Earth? In this video, we learn about different bugs and how they help the environment. Bees help plants grow by pollinating flowers as they collect nectar. This helps produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Ladybugs eat harmful insects like aphids that damage plants. This keeps gardens and crops healthy naturally. Butterflies help with pollination while feeding on nectar. They also show us that the environment is clean and healthy. Ants improve soil by digging tunnels that let air and water reach plant roots. They also clean the environment by eating leftover food and dead insects. Many beetles break down dead plants and animals into nutrients. This helps enrich the soil for new plant growth. Flies help decompose waste and dead matter, returning nutrients to the soil. Some flies also help with pollination. Grasshoppers eat many plants and leaves, so plants do not grow too much or too fast. By doing this, they help keep nature balanced and make sure one type of plant does not take over the whole area. They are also an important food source for birds and animals. Caterpillars eat leaves and later turn into butterflies or moths. They help the food chain and support pollination when they grow up. Earthworms loosen and enrich the soil as they move through it. This helps plants grow stronger and healthier. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning about helpful bugs, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next fun learning adventure.